Yeah, pangyaw, send me gift. I extend if you send. I'm gonna relive again. Okay. If you spend gift, I can do live. I can put it live. I'm the best friend. Andy, hello. Where are you going? Going outside. Ayun na, finished product. This is my hair. Yeah. Finish na. Look at my hair. And then I'm gonna wear this color blue. Okay. Baka masira. Pag sumayaw ako, baka masira yung hair ko. Ano? Like this. No, I'm wearing some jeans. Jeans. Mr. Handsome. Kulot yan. Let's go! Let me dance again. Only 3 dance. And then again na end live na. Forward! Come on everyone. Ayaw nyo ba? Mabagal ba wifi? Double D. Gusto niyo ba ako sumayaw? Sige. Give you 2 dance because masira yung hair ko. Because my hair is broken. But I'm going to change the outfit because you have this so mahubara. So mahubara na yun. Hi Tom. Wish me. Yeah. Pangyaw, you don't give me gift pa. Mahubara na ako dito eh.